Hey guys, this is Han from Soulful, and today we're gonna review a knife, an 8-inch chef's knife by Global. We bought this knife from Amazon when we were in Canada. This does not contain any type of advertisement or sponsorships. If you look at the Global knife, they have these holes at the bolster, at the handle, sorry. Then you can see all those holes appearing, right? So these are intended for non-slip grip. So if you have like any grease or oil on your hand, this prevents the knife from slipping from your fingers, so it's not gonna drop on the floor and probably cause an accident. And inside this handle, they contain sand, the sand that you see from ocean, like seashore. What it does is that it balances the blade and the handle. So if you put your finger in between, then there you go. It balances itself. It's very well balanced. And what's good about Global knife is that this is perfect for cooks or chefs with smaller hands who find Usthof or Schund too big for their hands. These are very slim, so if you have a small hand, maybe Global is your best pick for chef's knife. So why don't we get started on testing this knife? So we're done cutting, and I hope this helps. And if you have any questions about this knife or any other knives, then please leave a comment below, and I hope you guys have a nice day.